Hi there, I'm Miss Byrd, and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi, kids. Together we do letters and sounds, attaining academic success while having fun. Oh yeah. You can join us from A to Z, or you can just hop right in. And we're perfect for kindergarten and first graders. Oh yeah. Today, have out your worksheets for the letter V, and you can get your worksheet at our website, homeschoolbyrd.com. That's Bird with a Y. So give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Yeah. And ring the bell. And let's go. We always like to sing a song, our favorite Ziminy. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Oh, yay, plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Oh, yay. Oh, that was so nice. It's so nice to see everybody. Let me put my music back on. And today we're going to do the letter V. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, he's already jumping down to go get it. Freddie is a hard worker, and he's a little frog, but, you know, he's learning just like you kids. Yeah, he helps us out. Oh, yeah, I'm good. Oh, he is a good frog. And today, when we always start with the letter lines. The green grass bottom line, the red dot middle line. Thank you, Freddie. Yeah. And, oh, yeah, blue sky top line. So, everybody, let's start with there we go. Point to it, kids. The green grass bottom line. On the count of 3, hold up a green crayon. 1, 2, 3. Green crayon up. Good. And go ahead and point to your green arrow like Freddie. And go ahead and make the green grass bottom line all the way across. All the way. Trace that line to the other green arrow. Lift. Very nice. That's good. And the next one is a red crayon. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up. Good, everybody. And kids, go ahead and point to the red arrow over here like Freddie. Yeah, that's good. And start here. And this one's going to be the red dot middle line. So it's going to be a dotty line. So go ahead and come across. That's it. It's harder. Go all the way across to the red arrow. That's it. You got it. Lift. Good. Okay. Ready? And what's the next one? The blue sky top line. On the count of 3, blue up. 1, 2, 3, blue crayon up. Everybody's showing their blue crayons. And point to your blue arrow like Freddie is. Kids, everybody. And go ahead and make, the blue sky top line. Trace that blue sky top line all the way across with your blue crayon to the other blue arrow. Lift. Kids, you just made the letter lines. Wonderful. Okay, now we are almost ready to go. But we also like to make our letter house. And we put our letters in the house. So first, let's start by finding the little itty bitty teeny baby house right there. I know, Freddie, it's a little far for you to reach. Oh, okay. Yep. And go ahead and start from the little itty bitty tiny house with a brown crayon. 1, 2, 3. Brown crayon up. Good. And start at that itty bitty teeny tiny brown house right here. And go ahead and trace that letter house up like this. Good. And then make the roof go past the chimney to the top of the roof. Oopsie. I know your kids are doing better than me. And down the other side of the roof. Good. And tracing that line, trace the wall back down. Nice. We're at the green grass bottom line. Now we want to go into the basement. I know, it's underground. That's a basement. So go past underground, the green grass line, into the basement. And then make the bottom of the basement all the way down. And then back up to the little bitty teeny tiny house. And there you got it. You made a letter house. And you know what? I would like to make a little grass outside of my... Oh, he's pointing to it. Yeah, I got green grass. Ah, he loves green. Yeah, it's his favorite color. Huh? You know, green frog, green. Yeah. And just make some grass over here, some nice grass on the outside of the house, you know. And some other grass over here would be nice. And look at how our green grass bottom line is looking. And this is our house for our letters. So I want to grab the other house. Freddie, can you get the other house? Yeah. And he's going to show you. There it is again. The letter house, the green grass bottom line, red dot middle line, blue sky. And here's the letter house with the basement. And can you tell that this is the downstairs where the table and the cooking area is? But if I go take these stairs up, then I'm upstairs to where the bedrooms are. Yeah. And then if I go back down to the downstairs and I take another set of stairs down into the basement. Yeah. That's it. You got it, kids. Okay, so everybody and Freddie, I'm ready. So point to the downstairs. That's it, the downstairs line. And now point to upstairs. That's it. This whole line portion is the upstairs. Now point to the basement. Got it. That's it. This is a basement. You could see it has a bicycle in there and boxes. And look at some workout equipment, a big piece, right? So Freddie and kids, I'm going to say where to point and you point to it. Ready? Got it. Downstairs. Okay, good. Upstairs. Good. And you're anticipating what I'm going to say. Yeah. Basement. Good job. Thank you. Okay, good job, kids. Well, that's our house. Now we're going to go back to our letter V. Freddie, are you getting it? Yeah. You got it. This is a letter V. And we always start at X marks the spot. Freddie, can you and the kids find X marks the spot? Yeah. Always look in uppercase. You got it, kids. That's it. So we always like to start writing a letter with beautiful sunshine yellow. On the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, sunshine yellow crayon up. Good. And go ahead and start at X marks the spot. Yep, there you go, Freddie. Thank you. And you make a slanted line down all the way to the green grass line. Stop. Don't lift. And then another slanted line all the way back to the blue sky top line. Lift. That's it. You just wrote the letter V. But we also like to say the sound of the letter, which is V. Again, the name of the letter is V. The sound of the letter is V. That's a funny sound, huh? Let's keep going. Next, on the count of 3, hold up an orange crayon. 1, 2, 3, orange crayon up. Wonderful. Now, he wants to go ahead, Freddie. Do it again. Yeah, find that red X. That X marks the spot right here. It's not red. And go ahead and make that straight slant line down. You want to do it too, Freddie? And kids, you could do it though. And orange slant line all the way to the blue sky top line. Freddie, he loves kids. He just wants to say hi to everybody. Hi, kids. Okay, and then put that down. You just made the letter V again. Hi. And it's good. He loves the color green. Yeah, I know. I get to draw it this time. Okay. Okay, start at the X, mark the spot, and straight slanted line down, and another straight slanted line up to the blue sky top line. We did it! We wrote the letter V. Next, but this is the uppercase big letter V. And we have to do the little letter, lowercase V. Over here. That's it. Now, kids, can you find X marks the spot on this little letter, lowercase V? Yeah. You got it, Freddie. He found it. It's kind of hard, though, to see. Hi, kids. Kitty, Freddie. Okay, go ahead, kids. Start with the yellow sunshine crayon. Ready? 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Freddie, hang on to it. Yes, and start at X marks the spot. Ready? start here and make a straight slant line again to the green grass bottom line. And back up to the red dot middle line. And you did it. You made a lowercase little letter V. Ready? Yeah. Okay. And next color would be orange. 1, 2, 3. Yellow orange crayon up. Good. And start here at V, at X marks the spot. And make a slanted line to the green line. And another slanted line to the red dot middle line. I know, Freddie, you want to say hi to the kids. Yeah. Okay, good. And one last one. Your favorite color, Freddie. Green. Yeah. Okay, and start here at the X. Another slanted line to the green grass line. A slanted line again to the red dot middle line. Kids, you just made a lowercase little letter V. And everybody, I want you to hold it up for Freddie to see, okay? And also you can say hi to you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Hi, kids. So good. Good. Hi, kids. Freddie, he loves kids. Yeah. So this is the V-va for both of these. I'm going to say the name of the letter, which is V, and say the sound, va. And then you and Freddie say it back to me, okay? We're going to do it 3 times. Ready? V, 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 v. That's good. V, 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 v. Good job. V, 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 v. You got it, Freddie. You're doing so good. Really nice. Now next is the uppercase big letter V, v. Upstairs? Yeah, good. Kids, is the lowercase big letter V, v downstairs? Yeah, you're right, kids. And what good? Is it in the basement? No. Good. Is the little letter lowercase v, is it upstairs? Good, right. Is it, kids and Freddie, is it downstairs? Good, yeah, it's downstairs. Here's downstairs. Is it in the basement? You're right. Kids, this is great. Big letter V, is upstairs and downstairs. Little letter V, is downstairs. And this is nothing's in the basement though, right? Right. Oh my goodness, you're doing so good. Oh, thank you. And we got pictures. Yeah, good. So, he's already wanting to point to it. So the V sound, the letter and the sound, is a beginning sound of volcano. Yes. Oh yeah. V volcano. And there's vest. Freddie loves vest. Yeah. When he goes someplace special. Yeah. V vest. Good. Oh, there's the other thing he likes to ride in a van. Yeah. V van. Oh, you want to say the vest again? Oh, you like the vest. V vest. Oh, that's kind of scary. No volcanoes around here, though. V volcano. Yeah. Van. He likes to go in the van. V van. Oh my goodness, you're doing so good. Let's do the name of the letter and the sound again. Ready? Okay. V. You're doing so good. V. You're doing great, Freddie. Oh, kids, we just did the letter V, but we also like to do our alphabet, all the alphabet sounds we've learned starting from A to V, but we end at V because that's how far we've come. So are y'all ready for that? Yeah. Ready? A, B, 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 C, C, D, E. Oh, this is a hard one. E, Good job. F, G, G, H, I, Oh, that was good. J, K, L, L. Oh, that was good. He's doing good. M, good job. N, oh, that was really good. O, ah, your mouth makes a circle. Ah. Oh, ah, good job. P, P, good. Q, Q. Oh yeah, your voice drops down. You're doing great, Freddie. R, good job. S, T, U, I know, it's a weird one. U, good job. And here's our letter for today. V, V. Oh, let's do the pictures again. V, volcano. I know it's a little hard, huh? Yeah. V, vest. Say it with me, kids. V, vest. Good. And V, van. V, van. Oh, there you go. You did it, everybody. Oh, this has been wonderful. And it's so nice to see you. And oh, we got to get going because we just finished up our letter. But we missed you and we look forward to seeing you. Ziminy-zee, yeah, ziminy-zee. Yes, indeed, it's been a marvelous day. Oh, yay. Play see you next time. We get to play all the day. Ziminy-zee, yeah, ziminy-zee. Oh, yay. See you next time, kids. Nice to see you. Bye, kids.